up, you guys? My name is Taylor and today we are filming a video, and in today's video, hopefully it works this time. This is the third time I'm filming this. A little upset, but yeah, camera and technical difficulties. So I asked you guys on Instagram and YouTube which video you wanted to see, and this one won the most votes by far, and I understand why. I made two other videos if you're interested. After this one, I made how to dress alternative and stay in dress code, and I made another one of how to dress alternative with strict parents. So this one is just overall making sure that like your outfits look more alternative even when they're like somewhat simpler. And I know you might be like, how does she know? She has little coquette bows in her hair and glitter on her face. Like, do you not see the fucking bones? I got you. My first tip overall of how to dress more alternative is just layering. Layering is essential, especially in fashion, but overall, almost all alternative outfits are through fucking layering. I'm not joking you. They are all through layering. And this helps your outfits. You can repeat them subtly, but you just use the same components and everything and layer it a different way, and then you got like 30 outfits out of like 3 items. So my next thing is DIY. All alternative subcultures came from DIY. So one of my favorite things, like this is my like go-to #1 tip, add patches to everything. You can get super cheap patches on Mercari. Also, no need to self-sponsor. You can get some super cute cheap alternative clothing in my Mercari store. All clothes I'm just trying to get rid of. The next is holes. I know it sounds cliche and it's like, oh my god, I'm so edgy, there's holes in my clothing, blah blah blah. Dude, in those holes you were gonna put safety pins. Safety pins are a #1 lifesaver. They're super cheap and affordable. You can get so many of them in so different sizes. You can put them in anything. You can put them in shirts, you can put them on your purse, you can put them on your backpack, you can put them on your jacket. You can put them on anywhere and everywhere. The same thing goes for pins. Whether you collect pins from anywhere, I don't know, fucking Disney World. You can also make your own pins. There's a lot of DIYs online about using like safety pins, hot glue, and bottle tabs, and you can custom make your own pins. I'm not gonna tell anybody, but you know, those hot topic pin things, we all know bitches aren't paying $3 for pins. I personally do, but we all know bitches. I ain't gonna snitch. I support girls, gays, and theys rights and wrongs. I will look away when someone does that, and I'm proud. And some ways you can also alter your clothing is spray paint. You can get or make your own little outlines with paper, or you can get stencils at like Michael's and you use spray paint and you can put anything on your clothing. And spray paint will fucking stay to clothes, let me tell you that. Other options, fabric paint. If you want to paint something on a shirt or a bag or some jeans, you can paint and do a lot of that all yourself. So you don't have to spend like $100-something on those painted on jeans. When bitch and babes, you can make it your own with denim from the thrift store. Alright, now that the DIY section's over, we are going to go with accessorizing and clothes. Obviously the best parts. #1, chokers. Girl, I am a whore for a good choker, let me tell you. First of all, look how cute the Playboy bunnies are. The most amount of accessories I own is chokers. You can also get super cheap chokers from eBay. They're gonna take like 2 months to ship, but once they do, you can get them in all different colors for like 96 cents when I got them. I don't even know now. Another one is chains. Whether it's just wearing a bunch of chains on your neck, you can wear them all over your body, like whoever and whatever, good for fucking you. Oh my god, I forgot my nose piercings. Wait a second. Sorry y'all, I had to take a break to put the piercings in. I'm not gonna put my septum in, I don't care. Another thing is super cute, but it's super controversial. Rosary necklaces. I own a beautiful rosary necklace, and I know people are like, you shouldn't wear it if you don't believe in the church. And also, they're just super cute. They're super cute fashion statement. I had to fucking include that. I am so sorry. Another way to make your outfit super cute is with a corset. You can literally buy a super cheap corset on Amazon for like 17 bucks, and it has little like plastic ribs in it. I know there's other places that have them super cheaper, but you just get a black one and you can attach it to like any outfit and it'll make your outfit. I lived my entire senior year of high school in one corset with every single outfit. And yes, I wore it for like 12 hours, and no, that's not safe, but it's whatever. A girl's gotta do what a girl's gotta do. You can also get like cute little like harnesses. Like I know they have like underbust harnesses that are super cute, and I'm gonna get one. Studded belts are another one. You can get them again super cheap on eBay or Amazon. Extra cool points if you layer them and have like the sideways belt. Trust me, girl, I've been there, done that. Another super cheap thing you can do is fishnets. You can literally get a pack of like 3 on Amazon for like $5, but you can either wear them on your legs or cut holes and turn it into like a cute underarm shirt. You do not have to pay $17 for a fishnet shirt. I don't know who's gonna tell you, but it's me. Along with that, you can get like super cute lace tights, which was just like mwah, mwah, mwah. Along with pattern tights, think like early scene queens. Again, you can make all of these into tops. Just a pair of black tights. Literally, again, do the same thing. Make it on arms, wear it on your legs. Another option is arm warmers. You can get them, or fingerless gloves. Middle school, I lived in skeleton fingerless gloves, but they also make fishnet fingerless gloves. Another thing is leg warmers. Leg warmers have come back somehow, and I'm not mad about it. But I know they sell a lot of alternative leg warmers and everything. We're also gonna give another one to the thigh highs. Thigh highs are super cute, super affordable. Again, you can find so many cheap options online. And bonus points also for garters. Garters are the cutest things to fucking walk the earth. They help keep the thigh highs up. Thick girlies, if you're wondering how to keep thigh highs up, because I have for so long, garters. Invest in a nice, solid, good pair. There's a lot of really nice ones on Etsy. I can try to link the ones I use. The next is also a super cute DIY project, candy bracelets. Everyone and anyone remembers the scene queens who had the bracelets all the way up to their arms, and we were all in love. Let me tell you, I was one of them. This is only some of them, and they're all in this huge fucking jar. This is the cutest way to make band merch or anything. You can get all the stuff you need, the wire, the beads, and everything at your local Walmart. And it's also a cute like craft to do in the summer. You can make like little friendship beads with your friends, and you can write things like cunt, slut, whatever you want on it. Another one is band bracelets, like the old Pierce the Veil bracelet. You can find a lot of them online as well. Sadly, there are some resellers, but honestly, if you go to your local flea market, the old people will just give it away, like throw it at you, be like, oh my god, no one's gonna buy it, and just throw it at you. I got that one for free. Another one is rings, super cute. Again, you can buy clay at your local stores and make them yourself, but I prefer to like order them or find them at places. And layering so many rings, again, super cute. I'm going to be a ring bitch one day. I'm gonna commit to the bit. Another option is a good gothic hat. You can have this nice black brimmed hat and wear it all the time, especially once it comes to like summer, girl. You're gonna want a nice hat. I'm not really a hat bitch. They don't look that good on me, but I know so many bitches who pull them off. It's insane. Along with that, the beanie. One of the only hats I will wear. They make so many beanies. You can put safety pins in them and everything, and you can also get them like super cheap. Suspenders. People are gonna hate on it. Early emo kids, we all remember the suspenders. You can find so many of them at like your local thrift store because everyone's just getting rid of them.
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
Pause! So last video, I asked you guys to comment and everything, and you will have a chance to be the subscriber shout out. Every video, I'm picking a new subscriber shout out if you answer the question that I'm going to tell you. And this week's subscriber shout out is, let me make sure I say it right, Hot Topic Doll. Okay, so obviously by the time filming this video, they changed their username. I am so sorry that it took forever for me to edit. So this shout out's actually to Rebel Girl 583. Unless they didn't change their username and I'm dumb, but I promise if it's not, I'll make it up to you. I love you so much. Thank you. They are always so supportive, so active on all of my social medias. I love them so much. And they always just have something fucking nice to say. Like, stop. Literally, I recognize your comments all the time and you're awesome and amazing. Alright, if you want to be the super cool person who's a subscriber shout out, you're gonna comment your favorite horror movie. Or if you don't watch horror, just I guess your favorite movie in general. And yeah, my favorite movie of all time is Perks of Being a Wallflower, but if it's horror, it is Saw 2. I love that fucking movie. But yeah, comment your favorite horror movies or any movies you're currently watching, because I'm looking for something new to watch. And yeah, I love you so much. Let's get back into the video. Next, we're going with the denim jacket. Extra points for DIY, but it can be any black jacket. You can have a black cotton jacket, anything. Oh my god, those old skull jackets. Ooh, slay. As long as you have like one staple black jacket, it can go with everything and anything. That also can go to like punk vests. You can literally make your own vest, put all your patches on there and wear it with whatever outfit you want. Along with that, a good oversized flannel. I just say oversized because personally that's how I like the fit. But any flannels can go with anything. You can wear your band shirt and your flannel and it's gonna look amazing and super cool. And that is all I wore in middle school with my fingerless gloves. Yes, that was me. Genuinely, you can wear it, you could tie it around your waist. It's just, it can be anywhere. Along with oversized sweaters, I don't know what to say. I think a good oversized sweater can go with like any outfit, especially if you're having a lazy day. Oh my god. You can wear it as like a dress. You can wear it with shorts. I think it's super cute. Another one is like a lace or knitted cardigan. I love a good lawn lace cardigan. It's giving whimsical witch in the woods. It's just giving witch in general. Also a nice lace or lingerie, whether it's just wearing like a lace top like I am, or overlaying an old like lingerie dress over everything. Super cute. That's one of my favorite things to do. It makes you feel super hyper feminine and amazing and sexy and all of the great things. Another option is having an alternative backpack of some sort, like a messenger bag or a backpack, where you put all of your patches and all your pins and all your safety pins and everything. And yeah, I think I actually have my high school bag. Give me 1 second. This bag is now my gym bag because I don't have another, but like I lived and breathed with this backpack everywhere and anywhere. All of the patches, all of the safety pins. I literally and saved energy drink tabs and put them on there. This is what I wore all the time and it's super cute. All of those patches were like $5 to $10 with free shipping and stuff. So I think it's super cute. Another option is having a staple like black combat boot. They can go with any outfit. You can literally find like combat boots at Walmart. Also having a staple like Converse or Vans, anything where it is just your staple shoe. Any black shoes, always a good easy option. It can go with anything. And finally, the #1 tip to keep in mind. Being alternative and making your outfits look more alternative is all about the attitude and confidence. If you know you're alternative, if you know you listen to the music, if you know you live that lifestyle, any outfit you wear will be considered alternative. I know people are like, oh my god, what if people don't think I'm like alternative or goth or anything? Let me just tell you, I still get the goth girlfriend status and I don't wear black 24/7 and I let my hair be natural and I just go about my business. I don't wear makeup every day, but I am still considered an alternative YouTuber and that is fucking awesome and amazing. And I love all of you guys. Just know, as long as you have the attitude and you know you're alternative, I don't know who you're trying to prove it to, because you're fucking awesome and amazing and I love all of you. Mwah, mwah. That is my long-awaited video of how to make your outfits more alternative. Thank you guys so much for watching. There's been like so much support recently. I've been like living for it. Oh my god, I've gotten so many new subscribers. Like, oh, what the fuck? Where have all you been hiding? I love you. Oh, that was so bad. What the fuck am I doing? Oh my god. Sorry. I love you. Oh. I love you guys so much. And I will see you all next video. Let me know what videos you want to see. Keep active on my social medias. I post all the time on Instagram. Not gonna lie, that's my most active social media. If you want to message me or anything, follow me on there. All my other cool social medias. which are linked in the description down below. And yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure to give it a like and comment so other super cool people who want to be alternative or are alternative see this and are like, wow, I should click on it. Yeah, thank you so much. All right, bye.
I'm not crazy.